What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Triumph Speedmaster. That was a local trade. This is a great looking bike, guys. It has these horrible looking bags in the back, but they are Triumph bags, so I left them on there just in case you want them. They're like a soft bag. I don't think they're necessarily even right for this. This has brackets that do not fit this bike. This is a super cool bike, guys. The Speedmaster, we've had a couple of these. They're great bikes. These guys have a couple scuffs back here, if you can see those. Bike's in really good shape. It's got brand new tread on the back, basically. It's a killer tread. Chain driven. Just a great bike. It does have a throaty sound to it, which I was not expecting. No, that's good. Got a chip right there. Front fender is in great shape, front tire's in good shape. The bike's just overall in really nice shape. It's got a scratch back there on the rear, right next to the rear bolt. Scratch right down the top of the tank. It's got 5,000 miles on it. It's like no miles, guys. As far as beast up, keys are back here. I hate the key location on these things, but whatever. Like I said, guys, kind of throaty sound to it, but like I showed you guys, 2009 Triumph Speedmaster. The bike's in great shape, guys. Check out the website, check out all the pictures of it, also check it out on the test drive. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.